So this is how to register a course on Knowsia platform. So if you are writing the ICAG exams and you want to register with Knowsia, it is very simple and straightforward. So you go to programs. So at programs here, we have the professional tuition. So you just click on professional tuition. So these are all the available courses. So we have for level 3 papers, we have level 2 papers, then level 1 we have to move to you just have to move to page 2. So I'm going to register for a level 2 paper. So let me go back. So assuming I'm registering for public sector accounting and finance, and let's say management accounting, I'll click on public sector accounting and finance. So over here it will ask you to take this course. So I'll just click on take this course. Then I'll go to add to cart. I'll just add to cart. So it has been added to my cart. And over here other related courses, maybe if I want to add more to cart. So I would like to add more to cart. So even though the public sector has already been added to cart, so I'm not seeing the other one. So let me just go back here. Then I will come back to management accounting. So I'll add this one to my cart. I'll click on take this course. I'll just click on add to cart. So after I click on add to cart, so I have to in my cart now. So I can just go to view cart. So I have view cart over here. So another one is Knowsia is giving discount, 20% discount from now up to 30th November. So those who are able to register within November, by the end of 30th November, you get 20% discount. So I will just enter my coupon code over here. So this is the coupon code. I will just apply my coupon code. So this will take off 20% of the amount that I'm supposed to pay. So over here you see that I'm supposed to pay a total of 1,000, and now the coupon code have reduced it by 200. So I have to only pay 800 cedis for the 2 papers that I have to write. So I'll just move to checkout over here. Then I will enter my details. After entering my details, I will accept and proceed my order. So let me just enter my details over here. So I will proceed to place my order. So over here you can select the method you want to use to pay. Either you want to pay with Momo, you just enter your telephone numbers here, then you select the provider over here. Then if you want to pay with credit card, so you enter your credit card details. So let me assume I'm paying with Momo, so I'll just enter my mobile money here. So it can be any mobile money number that you would like to use. So I'll just click on confirm. Then I'll do my authorization on my phone. Then the payment will go through.